Hello, welcome back guys to another video. So in this video, it's a sad video for me, okay, because I was able to control my emotions in the last 2 days. Okay, let's go to the video. What you are seeing here is a weekly chart of EURUSD. You can see this weekly fair value here and this weekly buy side equity, okay. So since we are in a uptrend, I'm expecting higher prices, okay. So yesterday, that is 27 June 2026, she got to daily. You have this daily fair value gap. You have this daily fair value gap. And this one right here, okay. But yesterday on this day, you don't need to trade any. You don't need any of this to trade yesterday, okay. Come here 4 hours. It's a kind of consolidation on 4 hours. Next 2 hour. Currently 1 hour. Yesterday, I think you can see even lower. Wait, but I don't think the extra depth where price action was playing out. You could take on both sides. Okay. Uh, the reason I put this high because there were no like fair value gaps or sell side taken to go to higher prices. Okay. Again, you have these relative highs here. You had this fair value gap here. You had this structure shift here. Here is your midnight open. Pen tower says 6 p.m. Yes, 2 a.m. 6 p.m. 2 a.m. Fine, everything is fine. So created the structure shift. You had a fair value gap here that the sentiment aspect closed above that fair value gap. Okay. That is this. Uh, Closed above that fair value gap. With the sentiment aspect, look, even though it be one a structure shift. We had this relative highs here. The mistake I did was come to 15 minutes chart. Market came to this 1 hour. Went up higher, again went lower, took out this low. Here that is 5 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. This is this one I think. Oh, no, nothing here. Okay, took out this low. Here another structure shift with a fair value gap. We got this IFG here. And You have this 15-minute fair value gap here. 25 minutes, or if you just take the displacement from this high to this low, you can see the midpoint is here. So this fair value gap, this 5 minute fair value gap is valid, and this is also valid, and the zones is also valid, and we had this little order block guy here. Tired it was. My mind was yesterday not really good after that. I missed the trade on gold. Okay, I was not concentrating that much. How I took the trade was, you see, again at market into the 50 minute, and that IFG created a small succession here. I took entry on this. Uh, 1 minute IFG, okay, that is here. Placed my stops here. Go higher. Or this price, first target and final target pair. Okay. But if you just see this, you just take an entry from this uh, order block, place the stops below this order block, aim for this should be your first target, and this should be your final target. It's relatively high, sorry. So it was a really fucking good trade, okay. Because of my emotions, every shit. 8:30 didn't open. I did everything according to my wish, and there was a news, everything. What you say? Emotionally, I was down. This was a perfect trade. Okay, I don't know why every time this happens to me. Now I am again left with 9,934. I just went to this $3,011. I think just went to 249. Okay, I just need just 2.5 hour. I took a trade on. I should that shit. What you say? Told that stopped out because of this told this trade. I was really emotionally down. Like it was perfect trade. Okay, everything went according but because of that shit. Spread and all. It took my stop loss and gone. So that was the first trade you could probably take those. Uh, this buy side, uh, uh, what is it? This buy side liability. Okay. So again, coming to the main part. Uh, so what you can see here, 5 minute took out this high mark then, not the date. Okay, that is 4:40 a.m. June 2025 and 12:40 p.m. June 2025. Okay, this was that high 12:35. You was able to take out this shit, and but she was not able to take out that. Only you, this relative equal highs were taken. So rate that is here went above this by celebrity. created an SMT there with respect to GBP USD. Low taken out. Just look at displacement. You had this fair value gap here. You can enter there. You place your stops here. Aim for this low, this low, this very get low. Like enter from here, placing stops above there, aiming for this relatively get high. So sorry, lows. You almost for 3.4 hour. Okay, that's a good trade. And if you just wanna, you're not taking out this trade. You had this order block here. Took out the short and high, higher high, lower low. This order block here. You just look at the displacement from this high to this low. You can see how this were respected out. Either enter from this order block, make stop above it, aim for this low, this low, this low. This relative get also. That gives you 4. Let's say you are still not confident to take this trade here. You have this 5-minute IFEG and up to this whole breakdown. You don't need a sufficient to take this trade because already your trade have been missed. Okay, so on 5 minutes, the moment it closed below this candle, you can take the high here. Okay. Again, making the same stops, aiming forward the same loss. Okay, this relativity loss that gives you around 2.73 R. But on GU, you take on this much rate you can lose. So like went above it, create an assumptive with respect to this high. 8:30 upfront here. Going to 1 minute. I don't think we have. Yeah, this level was taken. It's not a proper structure here, and it's not recommended to trade. And to this fair value gap, or taking the displacement from this side to this low. It went to this. That's not an order block. Into this fair value gap, either you can take an entry from here, or what you can do. There was no good entry in GU. If you want to take that entry, you should risk a half medium risk or low risk and take entry from that 1 minute fair value gap. That's the only thing. Yeah, I'm really sad, guy. Why every time this happens to me? I don't know. I think you have got some ideas of what I'm telling nowadays. Now we have this creative weekend was here. Without it, daily fair very good case here. That's really really good for long position. So our next POI is could be this weekly fair value gap. Okay. So I think you got some idea of what I'm saying through this channel. Okay. So as I mentioned, the channel will post on Tuesday or July 8th. Okay. So and I will just release everything after a while. If I pass this account, I will let you know. Okay. Don't worry. So I don't know, guys. It really hurts. Okay. My first account was also like I went from here, that is 128, again went down to 807, went to 658, then again I just came. Yeah, I think the next week we will see how the market is reacting to every point of interest. Okay, guys, so for me, this was a really good week. Okay, this was a really good week. If I trained my mentality, everything really good. Okay. I won't say this week was bad, but this was a good week. Okay. Okay. So guys, I think that's all for the video. We'll see you in the next video. Okay.